Good evening, students. In previous video, we have learned about the physical change. Now in this video, we will learn about the chemical change. In physical change, I have told you that when there is a change in the physical properties of a substance, that change is physical change. And in physical change, no new substance will form and they are generally reversible. Now in chemical change, a change where chemical properties of a substance will change, that change is called chemical change. And in chemical change, new substance will form and they are generally irreversible. Okay, so what is chemical change? When there is a change in the chemical properties of substance and they are generally irreversible. Formation of new substance. Look at this picture. In this picture, wood is burning and forming what? Ashes. What happens when the complete wood will burn? They form ashes. So ashes is what? It is a new substance which is formed after the burning of wood. Can ashes can form wood again? No, it is impossible. So it is what? Generally irreversible. Means once the wood will completely burn, it will not get its shape, position again. So it is irreversible. And new substance, here ashes are formed, so new substance will occur. This change is a chemical change. So these are the characteristics of chemical change. Here some examples are there. Burning of paper, rusting of iron, cooking of rice, curdling of milk, ripening of fruits. These are the examples of chemical change. Now next we will learn some more examples of chemical change in detail. Like first is rusting of iron. How rusting of iron occurs? When iron object, any iron object is exposed to moist air, it chemically reacts with oxygen and water present in the air and they form a powdery substance. That substance is called rust. Okay, that substance is called rust. So when iron objects, iron here Fe is a symbol of iron. Okay, when iron objects exposed to moist air, they reacts with water and oxygen and they form a powdery substance which is known as iron oxide, and this substance is called rust. Okay, here the reaction is written. Fe plus O2 plus H2O gives Fe2O3 dot H2O. I have told you about the chemical reaction, that before arrow the substance, the compound which is written, they are called reactants. Okay, they are reacting with each other, and after arrow they are the products. Means ki when these substances react with each other, they form a product. Okay, this is chemical reaction. How you will read? Iron Fe plus O2 plus H2O gives Fe2O3 dot H2O. This is iron oxide, that is rust. That brownish substance is known as rust. Now rusting occurs in the presence of both oxygen and water. Okay, the more the humidity is, the faster the rusting will occur. Okay, more the humidity in air is there present, the faster the rusting will occur. So what rust do? It slowly eats the iron and leads to a complete loss. For example, rusting of ships is a major problem in the shipping industry, as the body of ship is always in the contact with water and air around is also very humid. The salt in water speeds up the process of rusting, which leads to huge loss to the shipping industry. Okay, so now the question is that how can we prevent rusting, or how can we prevent this process? So here, by applying paint, by applying grease, by applying paint over the surface of iron object, by applying grease over the surface of iron object, and by galvanization. Okay, by galvanization, rusting can be prevented by not allowing the iron to come in contact with moisture and air. Okay, that is how rusting can be prevented. The simple method is to coat the iron with grease, with paint. Okay, so when there is a crack in coating, rusting starts. Okay, when there is a crack in coating, then rusting automatically starts, because it get the place to form iron oxide, means for the reaction. So the more efficient method is to coat the iron with another metal like zinc or chromium. So here the term is written galvanization. So the process of depositing a layer of zinc on iron is called galvanization. Is called what? Galvanization. Okay, the pipes used in our homes, they are made up of galvanized iron. जो पाइप हम लोग घर में यूज करते हैं, they are made up of galvanized iron. Okay, so what is galvanization? The process of depositing a layer of molten zinc. Okay, zinc should be would be in melted form. So the process of depositing a layer of molten zinc on iron is called galvanization. Okay, this is about the rusting of iron. Next we will learn about the burning of magnesium ribbon. Next what we will learn about burning of magnesium ribbon. Magnesium, like iron, it is an element. Magnesium, it is an element. So magnesium ribbon means this element is in which form? Ribbon form. When we burn magnesium ribbon, see in this picture, here this picture represents the burning of magnesium ribbon. When we burn magnesium ribbon, it burns with white dazzling light. It burns with white dazzling light. Okay, then powdery ash, something is burning. Always when there is a burning, always ashes will form. Okay, so this here the ribbon is burning, so ashes will form. That ashes is called magnesium oxide. Okay, like iron is reacting with oxygen and water, they are forming iron oxide. That rust is what? Iron oxide. Here magnesium is burning, then ashes will form. After burning, ashes will form. That ashes is of what? Is of which substance? It is of magnesium oxide, means the name of that white powdery ash is magnesium oxide. That is MgO. Here Mg is written, it is a symbol of magnesium. It is magnesium. When it reacts with oxygen, it will form magnesium oxide. Okay, then if we collect the ashes, mix it with water in a test tube and stir it, that solution will form is called magnesium hydroxide. This magnesium oxide mixes with water, it will form magnesium hydroxide. When this magnesium hydroxide, when we test this magnesium hydroxide with litmus paper, then it is hydroxide. In previous chapter you have learned about the acid, base and salt. OH is there, okay, hydroxide. So it means, if you think that it can be base, but how can you check? You will take a litmus paper and check it. If it will change, if red litmus paper will change into blue, it means this solution is basic in nature. This is the extra activity which I am telling you. Okay, so in this burning of magnesium ribbon, what you have observed, that there is a burning, new substances form. Okay, magnesium reacts with oxygen, it will form magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide reacts with water, it will form magnesium hydroxide. Okay, this is about the burning of magnesium ribbon. In next video we will learn about the displacement reaction, that is of copper sulfate and iron, and about the reaction between vinegar and vinegar and baking soda, and rest of the topics. Go through this video, and if you have any doubt regarding any topic, you can clear your doubts. Okay, thank you.